Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to check version of your Samsung Galaxy A02 on your home screen. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold on your screen to see the home screen settings below. Okay, click the home screen settings. And okay guys, here in home screen settings, you'll have to do is scroll down, and below you can see the about home screen and you can see the version. And okay guys, click this to see the version of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, now your version of your Samsung Galaxy A02 is version 11.5.08.15. Okay, this is the latest version installed to my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully checked the version of Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.